So I ended up getting the ICECO refrigerator for the van. I got the smallest unit, I think the VL35, and that's the box there. So what's in the box? You get obviously the user manual and bunch of cables. I'm just gonna open it from here. So that's the space you get. And this is actually gonna be in this corner here of the van. This space here is where that fridge is gonna be. We're gonna build a box there to hold it down. But hey, you get some goodies here. And in this box comes, this is an extra drainage knob. You know, they give a lot of extra stuff. And these are the cables. You get the AC adapter. You got a DC cable as well. These are just extra knobs that goes to the side here. They give you extras, you know. And you get 4 of that. You also get an extra knob. I think this is an overkill. I don't know who's gonna ever lose or break this, because it's kind of attached to the unit. But hey, you probably have a lot of Tyson out there, Mike Tyson out there. We also get this knob. I'm not sure yet where this go. I haven't read the manual, but hell yeah, this is really a good unit. You have very good reviews online, and it's in, I'm pretty sure it's made in America, but they got warranty too, very good warranty if it breaks. There you go. So I have it on right now, being powered by my Vitamin battery. I have it connected on the DC port there, and I think it's taking out, let me see, I'm not getting the result on the battery. It says 1 watt. I don't think that's right. But what I noticed, which is one of the reasons that I bought this, it's very quiet, extremely quiet, and I need every gear in this van to be quiet, simply because we're gonna be doing live stream in here. So wherever I'm buying has to be really quiet, so that the microphone won't be picking up the noise in the background. Although I'm going to be having microphones also that really eliminate background noise, along with the mixer. Mixers nowadays are really good for that. but I can barely hear anything. Barely. Let me bring it closer so you can probably hear something. I can actually hear the trains outside and that. And by the way, you also get this. Ah! And this is just to help with the humidity while it's being shipped. But yeah, the vinyl has come a long way. Good flooring. We have both jackknife sofas in. And as you can see, we already built boxes that goes underneath. And those boxes actually is going to be storage. I'm gonna convert this to a door that falls down so I can access the storage down there. But we come a long way. Once we done all that mess in the front, we'll go away. Of course, we're left with a look at the back. I was testing the background there. That's beautiful. Yeah. Another feature that I forgot to mention, it has an LED light right there. That can brighten up and let you see what you're going for. So over here, it's currently giving me the current temperature inside. But if I want to adjust that, I put this minus. That's the what is heading for 30 degrees, and then it switch back just to let you know this is the current temperature currently. So this came in yesterday. I let it rested up to today before I turn it on, because it has that whatever compressor.